Today I am going to discuss about local notification in your app by using swiftui. Local notification by using swiftui. Okay. For implementing this, we use user notification center framework provided by Apple. Notification center framework provided by Apple. So UN user notification center is a class responsible for sending and receiving local notifications. So we have contained things notification in iOS. Suppose authorization asking for permissions and content what to share and triggers where to share. So now first of all we're gonna import on a notification center, and second we're gonna create on the singleton class. Class we're gonna create which is inherit of NS object. NS object is inherit by using use of Objective-C class in Swift. So firstly we will create a singleton instance, static let share notification manager, create an instance. Okay, first let notification, we create an instance of notification center, user notification center dot current, which will create an instance. User notification center class provided by Apple. This is used to responsible for sending and receiving local notifications. Now we're going to create on the request permission method. This method async mark and throw async by the asynchronously call one by one and throws marks return is bool. Let we're going to get on options UN authorization option. Let options UN authorization options alert sound badge shown this alert. So return await by using notification center to request authorization using try await request authorization notification center in on this side. Okay, which have a pass on this option. Now we're going to create a schedule local notifications. If you're going to create a should schedule local notification, you create on this method which is completed property. So this property is used to check on this notification true and false. Okay, now is check mark if not equal to should schedule local notification, otherwise return do. We can use a do catch statement by handing on this error. Let grant try await request permission colon this request permission, and if not permission is grant allow no user not allow, so return early exit, but otherwise yes not window self and date which have created date component. Suppose this timing component. This is a timing component. That object our my task we want to create on this my task structure, and this is a my task structure create on this my task structure. My task which type of codable which have property name ID body time component and time and date component which type date and extension in this user notification delegate which provided two methods will present and did receive. Will present is the foreground access on the data and did present is the background access on the data, and terminated state on the did finish launching method on the access on this data. Okay, now this is a pass on this stack we create on this instance. Suppose this is a work this is my working time, not free time. Okay, now which is pass on this date component. So date component with our suppose this is a 421. So 421 this is solar 21 and 21 this is a 25. Okay, now suppose this is 25 and pass on private colon the add task method await add task user create on this add task method. Okay, so add task method which type of task array of task async throw. If we're going to get on task by using for loop async to multiple tasks which element, this is the foreground background and terminated states. So let content UN movable content and content dot title task dot name content dot body and date comment which are request user authorization request by using three type of property requirement. First identifier, content and trigger. So body task dot body var date component dot our solar. So this is solar and this is a 25. Okay, let trigger UN calendar notification trigger date matching task dot date component which is pass on the task dot date component solar 25 and let request user UN notification request identify content trigger. It try about notification center dot add request request. Okay, now I create on this request pass on this our object. Okay, now we're gonna run this application. So this is a content view. Okay, now create on this is singleton class, so we're gonna create on this vstack, and so this is a notification manager dot shared dot, which I'm calling on this method. This is a and schedule local notification. Sorry, calling on this method which I use on notice calling methods. Okay, which I use the task modifier in swiftui, which is used to task modifier in swiftui. Suppose this is the which is used to button, and this we can press on this button and action label. So action, this is a text, show local notification. Okay, now calling on this add action on the button action calling. Now we're gonna run this application. So we're gonna apply on this in this button, we're gonna apply on this dot frame, and width is 300, height is 50, and alignment is remove, and we're gonna apply on this dot background color. So color dot blue color. Okay, now we're gonna apply on this dot corner radius, and corner radius 20. Now we're gonna run this application. So 25, we gonna set on this 25 on this notification managers. So we're gonna apply on the dot foreground color. So this is 25 26, and we're gonna add on this 26. So current time is 24 and 26 we can set. So now we're gonna check on this dot background color yellow and dot foreground color text property. We're gonna apply on this text property. On this text properties, so font is large title, color is bold, and color is white. Now we're gonna run this applications. This is 25 425, current time is 425. So notice the last title, this is a title. Now we're running applications for 25 and set is 26. Press buttons, show swiftui would like a notification, allow, and calling on this 25 notification. So not calling on this notification, suppose not calling on this notifications, and app provide on this note. So app provide on this notification, sorry, and this is work. This is my working time, not a free time. Show on this notification, this is my working time, not a free time. Suppose we're gonna pass on this content. This is in this tutorial show local push notification. Okay, so this is a notification. Okay, now pass on this 26 and 27. So 27, and this is the 27. Now we're gonna run on this applications and press on this local buttons. So calling on this method, so provide notice notification, running on this notifications. So provide on this notifications and terminating condition by using swiftui. So providing notification in this tutorial show local push notifications. We can open all the applications, and so this is not calling on this application, it provides a notification. So thank you for watching this video. You can enjoy my channel, like my videos. So push local notification in swiftui by using swiftui. This is a singleton class and provide a content view, and content will show on this content.